Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am very excited because I finally received my P.LOUISE budget box for the month of January, and I'm happy because it's been a while. I didn't do a December one because I unfortunately had to skip that one because it just didn't call to me, and it's a pretty expensive box, and that's exactly what I did. So let's get into what I got in my January P.LOUISE budget box. The box this month, P.LOUISE Bad Bitch Budget Box. Why chase when I'm the catch? Live, learn, upgrade. Official member of the Bad Bitch Club. I love it. Do not cross. It also says the final destination is always worth the journey, which is ironic considering this took so long to get to me. Name, Bad Bitch. So obviously this is a monthly subscription where you get sent about 4 products every month, beauty related P.LOUISE products. These products are on my face and I'm excited to talk about them. Let's start with the 2 products that aren't really makeup, so I can't really put them on. The first product is the P.LOUISE Glossy and Glaze. I think I might be the one all over body glow. I don't know what this is. I haven't opened it. I haven't done anything. Yeah, we're not putting this on because I'm just gonna get glitter fucking everywhere. I will definitely show this product off in like a little clip. And then another shimmery product, I assume this is the P.LOUISE The Finishing Touch All Over Body Glow. So we're getting 2 body glow products. Don't know how I feel about that. And this is what this one looks like. It's very pretty and it has like blue, purple, and pink sparkles in there. Very pretty. I really like it. I think these are supposed to match together or something like that. I will have to see. But the finishing touch, the final flourish, stepping out on the town with a glow so nourished, shimmering reflex to attract attention. One drop is enough to create decadent dimension. Catching light and standout shine, a sprinkle of skin magic, I'm transported to cloud 9. This pump of perfection is all you need, whether it's décolletage or legs that take lead. They say that my radiance can be too much. Won't dull my luminosity, babe, because I've got the finishing touch. I'm excited. These are nice for when you want to look like you've dipped your body in like lotion, right? You want to look like a buttered biscuit, basically. You want to look like a goddess. This is what you put for that. I also have another one that I got in a previous month. I did use it. You could definitely tell that I used this one. The shimmer particles on this one are a bit different. This one's like gold, pink, and I think green. I can barely see them, but they're there. This is definitely a product you have to shake. I don't know how many more of these we're gonna get, but damn, I'm gonna need a bigger drawer. But the packaging of this is stunning and it's glass, so it's very high quality. I don't mind the formula. I think the glitter is a little messy. It gets everywhere, but it's literally glitter in a bottle, so you kind of know what you're getting yourself into before you even throw it on anywhere. And I want to say less is more. Okay, less is more with this. Don't go ham. Oh, and I didn't mention that mine's is in the shade Slaying, Not Stressing. The next product, this is the Just Keep On Facing Forward P.LOUISE Stop Looking Back, Babe, You're Not Going That Way Powder Bronzer Palette. It's a mouthful, but this is actually really nice. I'm a little upset about this because I don't know, like it's a lot, and you'll see in a second. This is basically every contour I could ever need or want or use. I can be a makeup artist with this palette, like really. I feel like it could have been a little deeper. I feel like these shades kind of look similar in the middle here. I feel like we don't need all of them, right? Go deeper with the bronzer. You already went pretty deep. It's pretty great, but you can go deeper. There's always room for improvement. This is great, but I'm only gonna use like these 2 shades, so like I feel like the rest of this is gonna get like wasted unless I use it as eyeshadow, which I don't really think that's what I want from this. But you know, it is beautiful, and if I ever do want to do someone else's makeup, I have all the colors too, so stop looking back, babe, because you're not going that way. You wouldn't have settled for that last year, so you shouldn't settle today. Face forward to what's in front of you and shake off any bad atmosphere, whether it's approaching in the rearview mirror or parking or parading as your passenger, because you might be able to dodge the traffic, but sooner or later you'll ground to a halt. When people are steering you off of your path, recognize it's not your fault. Simply pull back the wheel and step up in higher gear. Drive yourself in the direction you choose, babe. Let go of any fear. So cute. I love the little cute poems in the back. It makes me smile. This is nice. The formula, I will say, I am wearing this today. I layered it on top of my cream bronzer, which is how I normally will wear my powder bronzer. But yeah, I really like this palette. I really enjoyed using it, and I feel like it might come in handy if I choose to do maybe like some friends' makeups. And the last item in my January budget box. I feel like that went pretty quickly. Anyway, this is the Ready Set Glow Stay Shining Where You Go lip oil set. Ready, set, glow, and stay shining wherever you are. Your lights shining in the distance can be seen by all afar. Never doubt your power, because we don't want this sparkle to dim. Hands at the wheel. Now, babe, it's time to sink or swim. No need for navigation or directions. The route is open and clear. Let your passion drive you to your goals. Just hit gas and steer. And in here we have the shades All Fired Up, Gleam Team, and Flashy Lifestyle. And these all have a wonderful candy-like watermelon scent. It doesn't taste like watermelon, but it tastes a little sweet, so it's fine. I did show off all of these shades, but I did not swatch all of these shades. I did swatch them on my lips, but I will swatch them on my hand as well so you can see them in action. The packaging of these lip oils is stunning. It looks like it has a little crown. It's so cute. I love it. I just wish you could see the color a little better. I don't love like frosted packaging. I feel like these are really good, and I would definitely wear these with like my lip combos because I have tons of lip oils that I prefer to wear on their own, and I feel like this one is definitely one that I prefer to wear with products. The scent is a little strange for me. I didn't picture P.LOUISE making their lip oils smell like watermelon candy. I think it's a little much. I think it's a little overpowering for me, but it's not to the point where I'm not gonna use them. I'm definitely gonna use them, and I like the formula. The formula is really nice. It's just the scent can get a little overwhelming. I think it's really strong. I feel like they could have made it a little lighter, but I'm glad I like the formula of these lip oils because we're getting some more of them in February in different shades, obviously. But it's really nice, and I love how shiny like it is. It's very, very shiny. They're very long lasting, and the formula is really nice. Not sticky at all, but it is a nice thicker lip oil formula, and I like those. So that was my P.LOUISE budget box for the month of January. It was so late, right? I never had a problem with P.LOUISE until now. This is like my first problem, but it's fine. I'm not in a rush. It's just, it sucks when you film content and these things don't get to you in a certain time. Kind of like irks me, but I will live. I gotta be honest, this wasn't my favorite month, and waiting so long for it, I'm kind of disappointed, but I'm not disappointed enough to cancel because I will use the lip oils and I will use the contour palette. It's just I paid $52 for this, and I'm just like, that's expensive for what I'm getting currently. Like, we were getting amazing products, beautiful palettes. I don't know, lately it's been a little for me. I've been a little like, should I continue this subscription? But I think I'm gonna continue. We're gonna see where this goes because I've seen some beautiful P.LOUISE palettes, and like I'm hoping we get some more of those in the coming months. I'm gonna stay strong and I'm gonna hold it together for the team. I'm gonna take one for the team so we can see where this goes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for always hanging out with me and watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get another eyeshadow palette because that would have been overwhelming. And I was like, I'll get the next one, and let's get into what I got in this month. It makes me so, like, this bag thing. Oh, it's so agitating. I hate it. Like, why? Paper, put paper in there. God. That went by pretty fucking fast, don't you think? I'm too bright right now. Much better. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and always, I will see you in my next video. Ow, that one actually hurt. Ooh. So I'm gonna, what is it called?